Hello guys, welcome back to Anonymous KS Aspirant channel. So the new week has arrived. Cannot believe that it's already 17th of January. Almost half of the January month has gone. And it's little scary, but yeah, what can we do? Scaring myself won't solve the purpose, but working on the things will. So just let's get started. So I've planned everything here. um, Today is Monday and I've planned to do Indian anthropology 1.1 2 3 2 3.1 3.2 3.3 and 3.4. And I think if I'll take 30 minutes of each for each, then it should get over in 3 hours 30. तो आई शुड नॉट राइट टाइम बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा रोबोटिक हो जाता है, बट स्टिल टू just get into the discipline that this should be the maximum hours you should take, and if I'm exceeding that uh, relentlessly, then there's some mistake I'm doing. So I should be rational about that. And then I have decided to do half of the modern history, and so I'm starting with GS1 again. Then on 18th I'll do post independence, give anthropology test, the one I'm doing today, and revise science and technology. Then on 19th I'll be doing modern history, the half part I'll be doing today. Then I'll revise security and disaster management. And then on Thursday I'll give sectional 1 of GS3, which includes science and tech, security and disaster management. And apart from that I'll be completing socio-cultural anthropology 2, that is chapter 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then on 21st my plan is to do Indian anthropology second part, which includes chapter 4 5.1 5.2 5.3, and revise my essay notes. And then finally I've decided to do give test of essay on 22nd, and to do world history. And yeah, that's about it. It's quite I mean ambitious, but no options left because January bhi jaane wala, and cannot take this to February, this load to February, so I have to do it now. After this week we would be left with giving GS3's sectional second, which is economics and environment. So I've got a function at home, so I could not help but I have to attend that. I'm not attending all of the functions, but the main two functions I have to. So the dates 23 and 25 are removed. So what I'm planning is, on 24th I'll be revising economics and environment. दो ये पूरा नहीं हो पाएगा, I'll try to revise economics. Okay. And then 26th को I'll revise environment. Then on 27th and 28th I'll be doing anthropology. Okay, let's not make it now, क्योंकि नहीं पता कि जो इस वीक का बनाया उसमें कितना हो पा रहा है. So we'll decide this next Sunday. So for today, this is it, and hopefully I'll complete this portion and I'll update you the next day. Till then, bye.